So what you're looking at here are examples of our cell division children's books. And what I find is really helpful when you're making these sorts of books with kids is to make sure that they have a narrator. Something that makes them change the tense of what they're reading, and it helps them sort of put things in their own words, and to have a more conversational style that's a lot easier and nicer to read and is more likely to be in line with our academic honesty policy. It's much harder to accidentally not paraphrase something or shift it from Wikipedia when you're doing it this way. Some of them are just really interesting in that this one right here has a very teenagery high school title, and then when you go in here, you've got some really interesting narrators that are really appealing to look at and to read about as they're talking about chromosomes and chromatin. Here's another one right here where students did a great job of making this both with a lot of information and very appealing and attractive. Here's another one, Magical Mystery Tour of Cell Division. And you've got some really great narration going on here with highlighting all kinds of ways to really make it clear kids know what they're talking about. Here's another one about SpongeBob as our narrator. And again, minimal text, but also very helpful text, great colorful and labeled diagrams, and a clear narrator. And then here's another one here, Monsters, Inc. And again, you'll see it's just really, each of these has a nice doorway as it starts, and as you open it up, you'll see everything you need to know about it. Really nicely done. And then this last one here is, of course, Diego. I actually gave these books to my mom, who's a second grade teacher, to go ahead and read them with her kids as much as they could handle it, and she said they had a great time looking at the work.